Kalebab.
Yeah.
Kalebab, nowadays, like yesterday, Gautam Khattar got a bail. And they are saying it's a win and all that. What do you say about it?
Hare Baba, I don't want even to mention his name. In Konkani saying Kotor means our net is broken. So Kotor, why our people of Goa giving him important? Nobody giving him important. He is one of the cheap quality person. He don't even have an education. Our reporter are best in Goa. He said, I am a reporter education, and he shows in public very bad, filthy words he use. We don't want to give this important. We catch our fish every day, traditional fishermen. Our Goa people are united, Hindu, Catholic, Christian, and our Muslim. All are united. This man for us, whenever net come, garbage. Look, garbage throwing out. I don't want to even throw out this garbage because we have to clean our country. For this guy is garbage. I am telling people of Goa, our brother and sister, please don't talk, don't give importance. All are our news channels. They respect fishermen. We never give them 1 rupees. Take our channel news. They are coming to take care of our nature. See, I am telling all reporters, don't even take his one news because this guy want to make a frame for his political life. Don't use it. We know what happened to our country. We are different. Goa is special. Blessing for everyone. Court is still going on. I have a faith on Saint Francis Xavier, powerful saint in the world, and God. He will be punished. Okay? Thank you, Jesus.